This video is to show you how to navigate Xello and also pull out information on your jobs or the jobs that Xello gave you. So follow along with this video so that you can kind of see how to navigate Xello and how to put your information into your digital portfolio. So first things first, if you are on Xello, you have this About Me page. You will find your career matches. It should just be at the top of your About Me page. And then you are able to scroll and go through and look at different careers. For this time period, you'll have to find at least 3 careers that you're interested in. So I'm just going to pick the first one that came up for me, massage therapist. The first slide in your digital portfolio will actually tell you to give a job description. So once you click on that career that you're interested in, you're going to have to do a little bit of reading, but you're going to read this section and you're just going to summarize it. It doesn't have to be long, but what does your job entail, or what does this job, what is this job? So make sure you can read through this and just write down a sentence or 2 with a summary of what that job is in your digital portfolio. The second part is schooling. This slide is asking you, or these questions are asking you, what kind of training or what kind of schooling do you need to be able to get this career one day? And then the last part of this slide is going to ask you how many, or what colleges have this career or have a program for this career, or if it's not a college, what kind of training programs can you get into? So what places offer that for you? So I'll show you how to do that as well. But we're still in our view of the job that we picked. If you scroll down towards the bottom, you should see this section, education and training. This basically, again, you'll do a little bit of reading, but you're going to see how many years of college you need, or what types of training you will need to be able to do this, and that's where you will find this, in this education and training section. The next thing that you guys will have to put down at the bottom of this slide would be the colleges that offer this career. This can simply be you searching up on Google colleges that offer whatever that career may be, or maybe you have a couple colleges in mind already, like you want to go to KU or K-State. Well, you could look and you could search for that particular schools. I just went in and I typed in Kansas University, and then it popped up ku.edu. You can type in any college that you want to, and then if you go to their page, you should be able to find some information about that college, academics, maybe what programs they offer. So you can, fields of study, you can go through and navigate that. But really, the second part is just you looking it up online to find out what colleges offer programs in that field, or maybe you want to look at a specific college and see if you can go there and also do this career. The next slide is just pretty simple. It's your personality style and your job. So on Xello, if you go back to your About Me page, or if you go to your home page, you should be able to see your personality styles. So we just want you to reflect on how this career actually matches what Xello said about your personality. Is it a good fit, or is it a career where you're it doesn't actually speak to who I am, or it doesn't actually fit what my strengths are? So that's something to reflect on this slide. This next slide is just job earnings, so how much money you make. And this is also pretty simple to find. I'm just going to go back into that career that I'd picked. So I was on massage therapist, and if you scroll down, you'll find a section called earnings, or titled earnings, and you'll just read through it and summarize it. The second part of this slide asks you to put down these specific numbers, or these specific types of numbers. So you'll just put those there, and you can find that under this section, titled Earnings, and you can just kind of navigate through. If you have to pick a different state, like this is Kansas, but if you have to pick a different state, it's just a drop down box and you click on that and you'll get completely different numbers. You can also work with salary or wage, so you can kind of play with those numbers as well. And that's it. You will have to do this for 3 different careers at least. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your teachers. They can help you navigate it. But hopefully this video helps you just kind of know a little bit about how you go about finding the information to put into your digital portfolio.